apply Pro features and export. You can see it's asking us to join the Pro. So let's find its solution. Close the project and make sure you are signed out. Once you are signed out, click on setting, then save to folder location. I have chosen downloads. So later we need to find this folder. Click save and then again open the project. And you can see there are Pro features. You can add more Pro features, anything you like. Click all the elements or simply Control A. And then right click, click create compound clip. Again right click, press pre-process compound clip. It's pre-processing. As you can see, it's completing. It depends on the speed of your computer or the length of the project. Okay, it's completed. So choose the media and remember the project name 0518. Click import, go to the download folder, click on the CapCut draft. So this is a 0518. Click this, open resources, open combination. Then there are two files. One file have video in the name of the file and one have alpha. So choose the video, open, it's here. So you can simply replace with this one. So this is compound clip. As you can see, it's also written here. So export this and here you go. Now you can export all the Pro features without joining the Pro.